Hey everybody! So I'm super excited to share this with you. So I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed with subscription boxes. You guys, I've gotten so many different ones. I love them. My daughter gets the Pusheen box. I used to get the Faith box. I used to get the Girl Boss box or something like that. Hi Samantha. And we got the Cat Lady box for years. And now Scentsy has come up with their own, and it's called a Whiff box. Now the cool thing about this is you can buy it just once. You can gift one to someone as well, or you can have a monthly subscription of it. So I love this box. I'm going to show you what's in it. So it's $30, but you get way more product than what you spend. So it's amazing. So let me go ahead and open it. And I've seen pictures of other people opening theirs, and this is a good one. So I'm super duper excited. Okay, so here we go. So my harvest brochure is a little bent up, but that's okay. And it's funny because I've already passed out all my brochures, so I'm so glad I have one to refer for pricing when people ask me questions, because I'm like, Okay, so the scent circle. I love this scent. This is pumpkin cinnamon swirl, and it's like a delicious pumpkin spicy scent. And you can hang this anywhere, but the car is the perfect place. I absolutely love this, and I'm so excited. Okay, so that's what I got. That's one thing. And the next thing I got, I got pumpkin roll. Okay, perfect. Pumpkin roll is delish. And what this is for is we have several products that don't use wax, because not everybody wants wax, right? If you have lower outlets and maybe you don't want your animals or small children to get to it, not that it'll hurt them, but maybe you don't want them to make a mess playing in the wax, we made these pods. So they're scent pods, and pumpkin roll is delish. Ooh, this is a good one. So we have several. But here's two that are my, that are Disney ones, but we have like regular white ones. And you put them in there, you plug it in like a nightlight, and you get the scent. So that's what that is. And I love this. This is my favorite scent. My favorite fall scent is Bright Cider Life. And they gave me a hand soap, and I just ordered some, but I go through hand soap like crazy. We have a lot of animals, so we're constantly washing our hands. Hi, Beautis Bungalow. So I got a hand soap. So I'm excited about that. Then, let's see, this is where they usually put our wax so it doesn't melt in the summer. So let me open that. Okay. So it comes with an ice pack so it doesn't melt. Okay, so I got another bar of, this is my favorite new scent. This is the scent of the month. It's called Scary Good, and it's a really good pumpkin spice scent. And I just ordered like a 6-pack because I love. Hello, Coastal Farm. Hello, everybody. So this, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I'm so excited to use this. And then I don't want to sneak peek, but they gave me a huge sample. What do they call it? Fairy Tale Pumpkin. And this, it's another good pumpkin scent. It's the scent of the month for next month. But I don't want to ruin the surprise because I get a box of stuff. And so I don't want to smell this yet. Okay, then I got, like, not everybody is into wax and warmers, but they still want scent. So, and I love these boxes. You know you're old when you're like, oh, I need to save the box because I may use it for something. I have a huge stack. I never use them, but I refuse to get rid of them. Okay. The next thing is a fragrance flower. And they are the bomb. I always have these going. I'm actually going to do it right now and put it in my bathroom because I need a fresh one for my bathroom. And it's in toasted acorn and oak, which is from our new scent collection. I just did a live. So if you go back and watch that other live, you'll see what that smells like, but it's amazing. So this is how this works. And these, you guys, these are perfect for like, because we'll be getting, for the winter time, we'll be getting wintry scents as well, holiday scents. These are perfect for Secret Santa gifts. They are so nice. They're so beautiful. They're for small spaces like next to your desk, like on your desk or on your vanity. They're just where you want just like a little bit of scent. Okay, so when you get it, you'll get this ring, and then you'll get, just think reed diffusers. You know those reed diffusers? That's what it's like, only way better. Okay, so then you're gonna get your oil. If I can get it out of here. And it comes in this beautiful glass jar. And it says Scentsy on it, and it's gorgeous, okay? This is the best part. These are handmade, and they're so pretty. It's made of like a papery type product. And like I said, they're handmade. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. And we have two different styles. This is the Buttercup Belle, and the other one is the Dahlia. But look at how gorgeous, right? You want to see up close? Aren't they pretty? And they're all different. And like I said, they're like paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to, there's a perforated edge. You're going to want to open up, take the plastic off. You want to take the plastic off. Then you take the actual lid off because you don't need that. And before I do that, there's like a little paper piece on here that you got to get off too. And that it helps the scent go all the way up the flower better. So go ahead and take that off. Okay. Easy peasy. So that's off. So now this, you pop this part off. I'm going to set it down. Okay, so I took that off. Now you're going to put this part on. And you are literally just going to drop it in. And isn't that gorgeous? So while the oil seeps up through the, you guys, I have COVID brain. I'm sorry. Through the rope, the oils will go into your flower, and that's where the scent comes out. And so even when this is all gone, the flower is still full of oil. So it still smells great. I have a couple older ones that I want to show you. Now you can actually bedazzle them, which is great. Here's one I did. I did this one a long time ago, and I did it with pink and orange Sharpie marker. I don't know if you can see. Oh, it still has, and I did this one a long time ago. Oh, it still smells amazing. Oh, this one's Fuji flower. This one's from the summer. But you see, once you do the edges with the marker, when the oil comes up through the petals, it spreads out. So, but I like this one white just the way it is. I think this is beautiful. So look how pretty. So then you can put it on a stand. You can just do whatever. Do I have a stand around? I do, but it's over there. But super pretty, right? So you get a ton of stuff in these boxes, and they're so worth the $30. Believe me, you get a ton of stuff. So if you want to get a Whiff box, let me know. Like I said, you can gift them as well. And every month they're different, but they're fantastic. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you right now. I hope you're having a great day and a great weekend. And I will talk to you later. Bye. And